Now, diver Yonanite Wisdom says the postponement of the Olympic Games in Tokyo was inevitable. As Denise Walters reports, Night Wisdom also thinks organizers should have acted sooner and not have the athletes in limbo.
National record holder for both the 1 meter and 3 meter springboard events, Yonanite Wisdom, says it was only a matter of time before the Olympics was postponed, as several major sports across the world was postponing and or cancelling events.
I think it took a little bit too long to actually make that decision. It could have been made a little bit earlier so that we could have started altering our preparations a little bit sooner without living in limbo and uncertainty for so long. I think the lack of their decision made us wait for way too long.
Night Wisdom also feels that even if there was no longer a pandemic by this summer, it still would have posed a challenge for Tokyo to host the Games in 2020.
It would have been impractical to host the Games this year with everything going on, because even if they did get a control over the virus, it might still be unsafe to have mass gatherings, and that's exactly what the Olympics is. It's a mass gathering of athletes, a mass gathering of people. It brings a lot of people together from around the world and could make the virus worse. So I wasn't surprised by the decision to postpone it, and I completely agree with it.
He notes that now, after being in competition, it will be like starting the season all over again, with more foundation and pre-season work likely.
It's a strange time, especially at this time of year. You know, I'd usually be getting ready for more and more competitions, but you know, we've got to readjust, and fortunately I'm not the only one in this situation. Everyone's in the exact same boat.
He also believes that there is a bright side to the delay, despite the fact that he can't train properly and will have to improvise.
Hopefully I can just continue improving and, you know, be an even better diver next year, which could be really exciting because I'd already achieved quite a high level this year, a much higher level than I had been getting the last couple of years. So, you know, if I can continue getting even better for next year, then that's really exciting.
The Olympic Games have been postponed until no later than the summer of 2021. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.